प्रेम से बोलिए श्री सत्यनारायण स्वामी की जय, उमापति महादेव की जय, सत्य सनातन धर्म की जय, सकल पंच की जय, जय सीताराम. You hold flowers, eh? Dear devotees, on behalf of the Mandir, once more I take this opportunity to extend to you most cordial and special welcome on this occasion of our monthly Satyanarayan Brat Katha. We also extend most cordial and special welcome to all devotees who normally join with us across the world, streaming live by members of the Sanagar Youth Group from the Sanagar Hindu Temple, branch number 67 of the SDMS of Ojo Road in Sangre Grande, Trinidad, West Indies. We have not had a katha for a while due to, again, the SOE, the pandemic and government restrictions. However, we are grateful, even it's an hour, that we can still find ourselves here to carry out our rites and rituals, puja, kirtan, katha. Tonight we say a special welcome and a special thanks to Pandit Uttam Sharma, his Dharam Patni, who sit as Shruta tonight in puja, and we thank them very much for having again. He told me that all the parasad, they prepared it themselves. He prepared and sponsored it, and also the food was prepared by the ladies group of the Mandir. Okay? So all puja material, everything they sponsored tonight. God bless you. Bhagwan's blessings to you all. Tonight, devotees, again, is the last day. In fact, today of Purnima is the last day of the Ganesh Utsav festival, which ended today on the full moon. Tomorrow now, another occasion starts of that of Pitri Paksh. So tonight is full moon. And tonight, with the full moon, this month of Bhadrapad will come to an end, and the month of Ashwin will then begin. And the first 15 days in the dark period of Ashwin is dedicated to the ancestors, the Pitras. So having performed puja, it's always recommended that we should listen to Bhagwan's Katha. So let us all sit upright and meditate on Shri Satyanarayan Swami as we rever thee. Hari Om Ramasamulam Triyaloka Shakha Yukcharopatram Likitam Vidhata Falasadoyam Swadhayaneka Bhaju Ramakrishnam Bhaju Veda Veda Kararavinde Padaravindam Muraravinde Vinivesha Yantram Vatrasya Patrasya Puteshainam Balamukundam Shri Sanamami Namami Bhaktavatsalam Kripalushila Komalam Bhajami te padam bhujam makaminam swadhaminam nikambasham sundaram bhavam bhunata mandiram prafulakanjalochanam madadidokamokshanam Shantakaram bhujagasainam padmanabham shuresham Vishwadharam gagana sadrisham meghavaranam subhangam Lakshmikantam kamalanainam yogi virdhyanagamyam Vande Vishnu bhaubhaiharam sarvalokaikanaatham Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwara Guru Rasakshat Param Brahma Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha प्रेम से बोलिए गुरु रामानंद स्वामी की जय, सत्यनारायण भगवान की जय. अब कथा श्री व्यास जी महाराज बोले. व्यास जी महाराज, who documented the scripture, said, Hari Om, ekada naimisharane rishye saunakardayah prapanchamunye sarve sutang pauranikhang kalo. It said one time, 88,000 rishis gathered together with their leader Sri Saunakji. They once wanted to organize and carry out a Mahagyan Yagya for 1,000 years. They wanted a place neutral, free from all type of negativities, and praying to Bhagavan Vishnu, he guided them to this forest called Naimisharan Kshetra. And their devotees, they made all preparations for this Mahayagya. Learning a great Yagya was about to start. Many spiritually inclined and religious personalities gravitated there. One master himself who came there was Siddhi Sutji Maharaj. When Siddhi Sutji arrived, what happened? Saunak rose from his seat, welcomed him, worshipped and adored him ceremonially, and asked him to take the high seat, the Singhasan. And Saunak addressed the sage. He said, O sage, Kariyam Rishya Uchu, Bratina Tapasaki wa Prapti Banshitang Palangtat Sarvasrotu Michama Katasva Mahamune. You know, this Kali Yuga is coming by again, where man will experience untold troubles and problems. He will have so much of bad karmas from previous birth bringing with him, and when he come here, instead of he stop making more bad karmas, he'll make more. And more adds up to what you bring, and you have to carry it. People go get real trouble and suffer a lot in this age of Kali Yuga, and trouble ain't start yet. Remember that. For we are only in the first part of Kali Yuga. We still have more than 2/3 of Kali Yuga remaining. Right? Do you know, Master, anything small, short, and simple to help human in Kali Yuga? This was the question he asked him, you know. So Surji Maharaj replied to him. He said, Saunak, Hariyam, Narade Santishto Bhagwan Kamalapati, Surasya Yathavatha Tatsrinudham Samahita. He said, no, you one time, Narad Muni, the son of Brahma, went to Bhagwan Vishnu. And the same question you posed to me, Narad asked the Lord. That's an incident that did occur. Let me relate it to you. Ekada Narado yogi para anugraha kankshaya pariyat vidhi lok mrityu lokyam upagata. Narad, who was an interterrestrial traveler, traveling with the speed of thought, was once traveling through the galaxy when he decided to pay a visit to planet Earth. When he appeared upon Earth, which is called Mrityu Lok, and it's good to always remember that Mrityu means death and Lok is planet. Once you're born here, you have to die. People are realizing that. We have to go one day or the other. And the prediction in Kali Yuga, death will be waiting like a how you call him, a king cobra, waiting to snatch the soul from the body. Least when you expect it, death occurs. This is how it will be in Kali Yuga. Yet still we always believe we will live 100 years. We don't know when. So he said this is this age of Kali Yuga, and these are predictions of same. So Narad come upon this earth, and when he came here, devotees, what happened? Hariyam. Tato dritva jana sarve nana kalesho manvitat nana yonisa utpana kishvanashmesha karmabhi. He was happy to behold us humans. We are the highest creature in God's creation. But when he noticed the human, he realized the human are happy. And as Kali Yuga go down the road, it's not going to be happy devotees. That's why we have to remember, Kali Yuga has the potency to allow man to get moksha where you don't have to come back. But if you know how to work your way correctly along that line, you could get it. But I tell you, coming back here in Kali Yuga, in every volume in the Ramayana at the end, Tulsidas addresses us. He said, why don't you look at the mirror and talk to yourself? Rayman Muruk, oh foolish mind. Why you are so entangled in this web of materialism? You get caught up in it, and your whole life is caught up in it. And suddenly you hear knock, Kala Danka Bajaya. I am the messenger of death, you have to go today. You say, but all these things I have to leave it right here? Yes. And the true purpose for which you were here, you did not really fulfill that. You see? So here, that's why Tulsidas advises, you have the privilege to get moksha. But you have it, the ball is in your court, you have the privilege, you have to work towards achieving it. So what Narad saw, the humans were troubled. They were oppressed, they were suffering, all kind of trouble and problems of every nature you could think about. And Narad decided to investigate what he found out. Tato dritva jana sarve nana kalesho manvitat nana yonise utpanna keshvanashmesha karmabhi kenupaye chaitishang dukanashe bhave dhruvam iti sanchita manasa vishnu loke mekatastada. He saw that we humans have evolved due to karma, from lower bodies coming up the road until the Lord bless us with this human. But remnant karmas, right, they don't go unnoticed. We bring them with us. Two types, good and bad. The good ones, you don't have to do anything and things going real good. How the bad one does work? You have to do nothing wrong, but you're getting pressure. Narad saw that. And more than that he saw, when we come here, instead of we stop making more wrong karmas, we make more. We do it consciously and unconsciously, and it adds up. As a saintly person, he was touched to his heart, and he felt sorry and wanted to help, but he could not have found a solution. He made a decision. Why don't I go to Bhagavan Vishnu? So with the speed of thought, he vanished from earth and he appeared in the heavenly sphere. What he saw there? Hari Om. Tatra Narayan Deveshu Kulvaram Chaturbhujam Sanka Chakragda Pajpamala Bhibhushitam Dirtvate Devi Deveshang Stotru Samupachakrame. He saw Bhagavan Vishnu. Right? Oh, look at right here, please. This is what Narad saw when he went there. Vishnu Bhagavan was relaxing on eternal serpent Shesha. The Lord was of a fair complexion and he had 4 hands. One the Sankh, one the Chakra, third the Gada, fourth a lotus flower, and a beautiful mala made of the wild sylvan flowers garlanded the Lord. Mahalakshmi was massaging his feet, and all the divinities surrounded the Lord and they were praising him. So Narad joined that part, that congregation there, and he led them off in prayer. He said, Hari Om Narad ji bole ki he Prabhu, Namo ko barbar sari tarupai ko nanta shakti ye, adhi mantya hinai ko nirgunai gunatmane, sarve shamadi bhutai bhaktana martinashine, srutva stutrang tato Vishnu Naradang pratabhashata, bolo Sri Vishnu Bhagavan ki jai. He said, Prabhu, you have no beginning, no middle, no end. The Vedas cannot qualify you. Saraswati Devi cannot. No one could qualify you. You are beyond words. How could I praise you? Which prayer is adequate to really praise you and say, this is the prayer? It don't have any prayer to say, this is the prayer. It could be a prayer. For if the Lord is limitless, you can't say, this is the. Right? It have so many others. What is important in prayer? It has to come from the depths of your heart. He said, but Bhagavan, you are Daya ke Sagar. You are the ocean of mercy, Kripa Sindhu. When a true devotee is in problem and he calls upon you, Bhukang karoti vacha lampang hulang yate girim, yat kripatam aham vande paramananda madhavam. With that type of firm belief and faith, you respond to the devotee. So Bhagavan said, Narad, your words are very, very true. Hari Om. Bhagavan bole, कि वर्तमागतु वसीको त्वंकिते मनसा वर्ते कतस्व महाभाग tat sarva kathayamite. But he said, Narad, your words are true. Nothing could make me bend or humble, in fact, than that which is pure devotion coming from the feet and the heart of a devotee. He said, Narad, you are a great saint. You go about the universe, and where there's trouble and problem, you try to rectify it. You seem bothered. What bring you here? What problem you encounter? So Narad said, Prabhu, suno. Mrityaloke jana sarve nana kalesho manvitat nana yoni se utpana panchate pap karma bhi tap kathang sham ye natla gupayen taddaha srotu michabi ko tat sarva kripa isti yadi te mai. He said, Prabhu, I was going through the galaxy when I decided to pay a visit to Earth. When I came here, your highest Kritiya, the human dwells. Bare bhagya manusha tanupava. Out of 8,400,000 species of life, there isn't a body higher than the human the soul could ever got to live in. But Lord, when I look at them, they're not happy. All kind of troubles and problems. I investigated. They evolved from previous birth due to karma coming up the road until you bless them with this body. But they bring with it now Agle janam ke kamai, karmas that were not finished reaped. And Prabhu, that is not all. We could bring the bad karmas and we had to go through them and suffer them and put a full stop to it. But what we do? When we come here, we make more than what we bring. And what you bring adds up to what you make. And who has to carry it? It has no carrier to put it on, you know. You had to do that, Jajibondle, yourself. He said, Prabhu, I tried to help. I could not find a solution. I come to you, Lord. Be merciful, O Lord. And please, I beg you, help the people on earth. I come to beg for you to help them out of mercy. So Bhagavan looked at Narad and said to him, He Narad, sadvestvang tvaya vatsa loka anugraha kankshaya yat kritva muchate mrosrinushyoko vadamite. He said, you are sadhu, Narad. Saintly people don't think of the self, but they think of the welfare of others. Doing good to the Lord and His creation. That is a saint person without looking for any reward. Although every action has a reaction coming. Bratasmin mahapunyang swarge mrityu se durlabham. And since you are selfless in nature and come to ask for the welfare of the human race, I will tell you a great secret of mine could help them. It is a brat, a fast that leads up in the worship. Swarge means heaven, mrityu means earth. It is in the heavenly sphere. If it's practiced on earth, man will get great relief. What is it called? Shri Satyanarayan Swayam Brat Katha Samyako Vidhanata. It is called the Shri Satyanarayan Brat Katha. Hariyam Kretva Sat Sukang Bhutava Parat Moksha Anuyat. By the performance of which very quickly happiness will come to that devotee, leading you along a way of progression spiritually, materially, and at the end you can get oneness with me. Hari Om, hearing this, Narad asked further Prabhu, Ki palanke bidhanang cha kritikai nitad brata. Could you give me full details, Prabhu, of it? Bhagavan said, listen, Narad, I'll tell you the great benefits of this Satnarayan Katha. Dukkha shokadisham nang dhanya dhanya ko pravardhanam. Dukh is troubles and shok is worries, it will go away. Dhan is material wealth, will come to you to live comfortably here. As you live, you're going to have progression spiritually, materially. Saubhagya santikarang sarvat vijaya pradam. Any mission you undertake, you're going to have success. A couple not blessed with offsprings can have offsprings. It will cause your third eye to open, the light of knowledge will dawn, dispelling the darkness of ignorance. Control will come over your senses of perception and the organs of action, and a transformation will take place within yourself. Hari Om Yasmin Kasmine Mrityu Bhakti Saraman Vitat. Any day you can do this puja. Sayankal means the evening, going into the night is best prescribed. But once there is devotion in the heart, added merits come on the full moon night. When you do this on a full moon night, it's a congregational worship. The whole community becomes blessed. Satyanarayan Devi Dichaiva Nishamuke Brahmano Bandaswang Saitang Dharmatat Pare. There is a sequence of worship. You do all your puja and then Bhagavan Satyanarayan. If you could help it, you invite friends, relatives, neighbors, sadhus, kirtan mandali, brahmanas, and so on. Naivedang bhakti dodata sampadang bachputpamam. And all that you have to prepare for the puja must be with love. Like I was telling Pandit Uttam earlier, puja is really what you could do with this body whilst you have it. You see, he said everything in the parasat, they made it themselves. Right? You can pay and get it done. But you taking the effort and actually doing it yourself, this is where more the blessing come. If you could do it. And when you could do it, only when God bless you with health and strength. Because when you start to get old and you can't afford to do it then you could depend on somebody else. But you didn't regret that you didn't do when you could have done it. So whilst God bless us with health and strength with this body, remember Gita explained, anything you could do towards making a yagya successful, that is the best karma you could do with this body. Always remember that. Hari Om. Ramba palangritang chirang goduma shukarmaham. You must have bananas, your ghee, your milk, your sugar, and all the other necessaries as prepared. Abhavi shalika churan me shakra me gudas tatahai. The favorite dish is the panjari. Ground rice patch, little sugar added, could be flavored with black pepper. And when you're doing this puja, you must have a fig tree and the bedi. You always have your Navgraha Jhandi. You have the bamboo jhaki. And traditionally is that chanani and top. In the absence of that, you just tie a piece of cloth on the bamboo. But that is a substitute. You could also put up your mango leaf, decorate it, hang up fruits and all these things and so on you can do to beautify the environment. Hari Om. Narayan Samparang Sarve Shamadi Chainini Kritya Nivedita. Having prepared it with love, you offer it with love as the Srutas did. Viprai Dakshinadatam Srutva Janai Saha. If there are Brahmanas, if there is no Brahman in a yagya, that yagya is incomplete. So when you have, thank God, when you have them, if it's oneself, that you could do a little puja, seva to them, give them a little dakshina and so on, you get blessing. It's mentioned here. Vihariyam tatakshabandhu bisad biprakshi pratibhojayet. It is mentioned you should prepare food and feed the people. Any yagya without food is considered tamsik, incomplete. That's why anything in Hinduism is food. And if you talk hard, you get to carry too. Hariyam prasada bhraksha nitya gita rang charet. It tells you like when puja done, you go home, read Gita and listen to bhajans and kirtan and you stay in that devotional atmosphere. But you have to be careful with police locking you up in your own house now, if you're outside and thing. After 9 o'clock. Hariyam Siriko Tatakshase Griha Gache Satyanarayan Savaran. And those who come to the prayer should be fully focused on Bhagavan Satyanarayan. You know, you get the same benefits as the Shruta. Sometimes you as the audience who come to the prayer, if you're real focused here, you could even get more blessing than the Shruta. Suppose the Shruta sit around here, his mind not here. You who come to attend could even get more than the Shruta. This is how powerful this Katha is. And this Satnarayan Brat Katha has a magic in it. Let me tell you what's the magic. You only say you want to do it and put a date to do it and see how it will happen. How it has happened, you just want to know. If it's no other issue, but Satnarayan Brat Katha has this magic in it. The Lord does make it happen. Because it happened Satanan with all these others and so on who went about trying to do it. Hariyam evam kriti manushanang bangsha siddhi bhavedruam. Bhagwan Vishnu tell him, he said, what is the desire of that devotee? I will fulfill it personally. For Vishesh Kal Yug Mesta Bhutale Khai. Hariyam, he said, for in Kal Yug, on this planet Earth, it had nothing shorter nor more effective than this Katha. Right? Satanan Brahman, the Lord introduced this Katha on earth through him. He had to beg for his daily bread. And the day he did this first puja, right, that was the end of his begging career. Lakrihara, the woodcutter, did it. He also elevated himself. Sadhu Banya could not have had children. King devotees, Ulkamuk Raja gave him parsa to carry up to his wife, and she became pregnant and brought forth a beautiful girl child named Kalavati. Right? Another one, Tungartuj Raja, he refused the parsa of Bhagwan Satyanarayan. He suffered immensely for it. I went back and do the puja. All those who did this puja, devotees, always progressed in their life. Again, I always say that, and I will stand up to it. I believe it have nothing greater and more meritorious on this earth than this Satnarayan Brat Katha. It don't have anything. It is the greatest thing on earth. Narad Muni went to Lord Vishnu and begged him to help us, and Bhagwan gave us this Satnarayan Brat Katha. May Bhagwan Satnarayan bless you both. The greatest blessing in marriage life is Saubhagyavati. May you and your Dharam-Patni live very, very long together, but enjoy in devotees good health and good strength, and may that devotion to the feet of Prabhu increase in your heart. Hari Om. Iti Sri Skanda Purane Reva Khande Satyanarayan Kathayang Pratamo Adhyay Samapti. Prem se boliye Sri Satyanarayan Bhagavan ki jai. Bolo Shri Satyanarayan Bhagavan ki jai. Offer your flowers and bow. So we say thanks very much to Pandit Uttam and his Dharam-Patni having sat as Srutas tonight and performed this Purnima Brat Katha. Also their contribution tonight of prasad, meals and all other necessaries to make once more this Katha successful. May Bhagwan's blessing be with you. Devotees, what I like to tell you at this time, in the whole northeast region, right, we only have one Mahapat. The Mahapat is the person who does what we call a shaving ceremony. When that shaving ceremony is done, it's only then the soul leaves to go on its journey. And that depends on who does it. A Mahapat must be an authentic Brahmin, having coming from that lineage. Right? Long ago, before the people came to do your prayers, they will look back at your lineage on your father and your mother's side and see if that person was Brahmin or not. They will not call you. It's a free world today and everybody doing what they want. In the whole Northeast Division, we only have one official Mahapat, and that is Pandit Ramesh. His Dharmpatni is here. He is the son of the late Pandit Bhagwat Maharaj from Plum Road. It don't have any other Mahapatar, to put it simply to you. People are pretending to be it, and if your father or mother die and that is your loved one, and you want that soul to get what you're really going to offer to him, and the wrong person do it for you, the soul does remain stuck in eternity in a spirit form. It can't get released. Because it's only when that Mahapat does that work, then the new body is formed, which is the size of the palm of the hand, a cubit. And in that body, the soul is now ready to travel when the Bhandara is done. With discussion with Pandit Ramesh, right, we know how it is with him. He has kindly consented and agreed to and willing to that we need another Mahapat in Sangre Grande. Pandit Ramesh is somebody that in Cedros, they call him. Access Maharaj, I tell you. No matter where in Trinidad, probably away too, I don't know. Right? So Pandit Uttam has gladly consented. He would like to move along that pathway of life to become a Mahapat. And we are very, very thankful for him for choosing this, because we only have one official one, Pandit Ramesh. Others, again, devotees, I tell you, they are doing this, but they are not supposed to do. And if you like your loved one, it's up to you to choose. Very important who doing these rites and rituals for you. Pandit Uttam is the son of the late Pandit Tulsi Das. Everybody know Pandit Tulsi Das. I had the privilege to tutor him in infants. I taught him in infants, right? And he shows very, very good qualities, again, of a devotees, a person to be that of that along that line. So I want to congratulate him personally, and he is in present learning, in fact, and just now he might be out in the field. So we want to thank him very much, and we want to ask his Dharmpatni to give him all the support in the pathway of his dharma. You hear that? Right? Did you hear that? You have to give him all his support, because we don't know. So right now I just tell Pandit Ramesh, I say, make sure I die before you so you could do my shaving. Right? This is how thing is. You don't know who could do it for you. So we need to have a person in that lineage to do this for the soul to get what it wants. So God bless you, and we want to wish you all the best along this line. Tomorrow, devotees, in the month of Ashwin, an important period in the Hindu calendar begins, which is called Pitra Paksh. Pitra is ancestors, and the Paksh is the period of 15 days. It goes on from tomorrow, which is the 21st, until the 6th of October. And it is the most important period in the Hindu calendar. It's more important Navratri than Diwali, than Shivratri and all the others. And little people recognize that. The answer to this is very simple, and for you to be educated, it's very simple. When people call me to find out about it, I say all you have to do, tune in to Radio Jagriti or TV Jagriti. And you won't have to ask Baba any question. You'll get all the knowledge you want on this here. Keep tuning into your radio station of Jagriti, TV and radio, and you'll be fully educated along the line of Pitra Paksha. During Pitra Paksh, a Hindu home should be fasting. Now remember, when you're fasting, you can't have your deep freeze full with meat. You're defeating the purpose. Anytime you have meat in the house, it becomes double impure. Do you know when you have a death in a house, the first thing you have to get rid of is the meat? So you can't be fasting and you have meat in the house. Right? Home should be clean. And Siddhiram's Valmiki said to Siddhiram in Ramayana, go and dwell in the heart of that individual who offers tarpan on behalf of his deceased parents and others. How long does it take? 5 minutes. I always advocate the hardest things to get up and bathe. Put on clean clothes. Plant the kush grass. Mr. Ramnarayan, I asked him last Thursday, he brought the original kush grass from African. All right? Most of you got it. After Pitru Paksha, don't just neglect it. Treat it nicely, it will grow. The first time he came to the temple in that year, he got kush grass, and my one's still there. All right? You tie your knot on the kush grass, face south. On your right hand, between the thumb and the index finger, is called the Pitra Tirtha. You have tulsi, you have flowers, you have your black till water. You face the south, and you call the ancestors' name when you offer. If you don't even know the name self, you're going to know your Grandajahn, great-grandajahn, and so on. But it have terms you could use. Even thinking about them, you could offer it. Right? Pita is father. Pitamaha is Aja. Prapitamaha is Granaja. Vrit Prapitamaha is great-granaja. All right? Mata is mother. Pitamahi is Aji. Prapitamahi is Granaji. Vrit Prapitamahi, great-granaji. Matamaha is Nana. Pramatamaha, grandnana. Vrit Pramatamaha, great-grandnana. Matamahi is Nani. Pramatamahi, grandnani. Vrit Pramatamahi, great-grandnani. You can learn this. If you follow Radio Jagriti and TV Jagriti, you'll learn a Hindi word every day. So write 365 words for the year. And it does not take long, right? You keep your homes clean. You clean your homes during Pitru Paksha. It's only when the soul leaves the body, when somebody dies, the first Bhandara is performed, and the second Bhandara, which is the 1 year Bhandara, is performed. Then the soul takes the position of a Pitra. During the course of the 1 year after somebody died, the soul is in the state of a Pret. Let us remember that. Right? If you don't do these rituals, you remain stuck as a spirit. So when the 1 year Bhandara is done, then the soul takes the position of a Pitra. And as a Pitra, they come to visit you and worse. You see, when they work hard and make and build and you inherit it for them and you didn't do anything for them, they pass and they curse you and they're gone. But you make little offerings for them. And one of the greatest offerings for Pitru Paksha is the offering of food. On the last day when you close it up, you prepare nice or clean vegetarian food and you offer to the Pitras. Simple like that. One person said he don't want to give that people bad habit. One person said, a dead horse can't eat grass. We are born slave to our genes. You could do what you want. As a son, you can't get away from that. And if you really want to go forward in life, you really want to uplift and progress in life, observe this Pitru Paksha period. Some people tell you, well, Babs had to do it for 3 days, you know. The last 3 days down there, or the first 3 days or 5 days. It's 15 days. You want to do it for 3 days or 5 days. But this prescribed period is 15 days. Right? What is the fast for 2 weeks? And soon after Pitru Paksha is Navratram, and then Diwali, and then Kartik. So you have to keep fasting going on the road. But it's Pitru Paksha worship to the ancestors carries more blessing than when a Pandit comes to your home and does puja and put up 5-6 jhandi. You wouldn't believe that. Right? Making these offerings to the ancestors. Now, a fellow might say, well, look, my brother doing it, you know. We have 5 brothers, so he does do it. It's all right. If he doing it, he get the blessing. You do it, you get none, you know. Everybody, the males are obligated in this respect. Your wives join with you. Right? I always remember my father in his days when he was alive. Every morning you had to mop that house and clean it. And he will pick, you see this wild chameli flowers? Make sure the door's open and put flowers by the door. They welcome the Pitras when they come. Yeah. They pass, you prepare for them. Some people again, they prepare food and they leave it. Every day you could do it. They take out food and leave on your table or your counter, wheresoever and so on. Right? Vegetarian. And they come and they bless it and they go. They bless you and you will progress, yeah. So tomorrow is that period of Pitru Paksha which is going to begin. Devotees, is very important, as I tell you, tune in to your radio and TV Jagriti. It is there, the Hindu station to educate our Hindu people. Well, if you really follow Radio Jagriti and TV Jagriti, you really know how to cause to ask Pandit any question again. You get so much information in that respect. Right? So this goes on for 15 days. We'll learn on the 6th. And then you have the period of Navratri comes in. During the period of Navratri, again, devotees, Shri Ram had fasted and worshipped Devi for 9 days. And on the 10th day, killed Ravan. But what happened is that this year again, we cannot keep Ram Leela, right? Because of the COVID restriction. So we had none last year, this year neither. So normally, during the time of when we break for Ram Leela, we never keep anything in the temple because we break before Pitra Paksh, whether it be Thursday, whether it be the last gone. Okay? But since we do not have Ram Leela this year, we are going to have our satsang on Thursday as usual. So Thursday come in, and again, very beneficial is the reading of Srimad Bhagavad Puran. It could be Garuda Puran, it could be Gita, and so on, but Bhagavad is very effective. So we'll have our satsang on Thursday as usual. We want to thank again Madam Pandit Ramesh. She will contribute the Parsar and do little puja on Thursday coming. God bless you. So devotees, because of the SOE regulations also, the service that is recommended must be 1 hour. The population of the mandir should be 25%. We observe all these. We have temperature check. We have sanitizing, all these things and so on. So we want to adhere to it from 6:30 to 7:30 so you can leave to go home and devotees to reach home before the SOE begins. So Prem se boliye Shri Satyanarayan Bhagavan ki Jai. God bless. We'll have Havan now. We know that we have lost our dear President of the Mandir, Mr. Indar Maharaj, whose contribution to this temple will always remain devotees in the history of this Mandir. He was the one who had the helm, instrumental for the transformation of this Mandir. Very active, energetic, on the go in every aspect of carrying on this temple. Like I said, nobody believed he'd get sick. He didn't believe he'd get sick. One day you're good, you don't know tomorrow. He did fall sick about 2 years ago and gradually phased down until he phased out. Okay? So we are very sorry again. He lost his Dharampatni earlier, before the 1 year, and he has passed away. We also just learned that Pandit Vishnudat Maharaj, he had been in this temple before on many occasions. He also passed away. So Pandit Vishnudat, always very humble, simple, down to earth, and always graced any audience once he knew about it and he was invited. He and his Dharampatni used to always be around. I think he was residing in Centalina in El Carmen village. So probably we can listen later for any. And the restrictions again is 10 people in funeral and so on. So you see with the COVID, the problems that we are having. So we'll offer prayer for them at the end in this way. Bolo Vishnu Bhagavan ki Jai. Let us join together, devotees, in a, how you call it? Howard. Come on a little bit here. Say about 25 to 30 times. Hari Om Prajapatiyebhyo Namah Swaha Indrayebhyo Namah Swaha Aganiyebhyo Namah Swaha Om Bho Swaha Om Bhova Swaha Om Swa Swaha Man Mahaganadhipatiye Ganesh Bhagavan Bhyo Namah Swaha Gauri Devi Mata Bhyo Namah Swaha Prithvi Devi Bhyo Namah Swaha Kalash Dev Bhyo Namah Swaha Varuna Dev Bhyo Namah Swaha Panchlokapal Dev Bhyo Namah Swaha Dasodrikpal Dev Bhyo Namah Swaha Shri Suryadi Naugraha Devata Bhyo Namah Swaha Om Namo Narayanaya Bhyo Namah Swaha Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya Bhyo Namah Swaha Om Namah Shivaya Bhyo Namah Swaha Hari Om Sri Vishnue Bhyo Namah Swaha Om Sarve Deve Bhyo Namah Swaha Vede Bhyo Namah Swaha Shri Satyanarayan Bhagavan Bhyo Namah Swaha Satya Devata Bhyo Namah Swaha Lakshmi Narayan Bhyo Namah Swaha Shri Vishnue Bhyo Namah Swaha Om Shri Mahavir Swami Bhyo Namah Swaha Mahalakshmi Devi Bhyo Namah Swaha Saraswati Ai Bhyo Namah Swaha Om Dung Durgaye Bhyo Namah Swaha चंद्र देवताभ्यो नमः स्वाहा, सूर्य देवताभ्यो नमः स्वाहा, 9 लाख तारा देवभ्यो नमः स्वाहा, 33 कोट देवताभ्यो नमः स्वाहा, 64 योगिनी देवीभ्यो नमः स्वाहा, तुलसी महारानी देवीभ्यो नमः स्वाहा, गोवर्धन भगवान भ्यो नमः स्वाहा, इष्ट देवताभ्यो नमः स्वाहा, कुल देवताभ्यो नमः स्वाहा, ग्राम देवताभ्यो नमः स्वाहा, स्थान देवताभ्यो नमः स्वाहा, काल प्रधान देवभ्यो नमः स्वाहा, श्री ब्रह्म गायत्री मंत्रभ्यो नमः स्वाहा, गुरु चरण कमलेभ्यो नमः स्वाहा. You done it? Yeah? Make it out in 3 parts. सर्वदेवी सर्वदेवताभ्यो नमः स्वाहा, आपे ज्योतिर्स्वमृतं ब्रह्मभूर्भस्वरुभ्यो नमः स्वाहा. ओम तत्सद्भ्यो नमः स्वाहा. Wash out your hand. Let us now stand, please. We're going to join in Purnahuti and Arti. Hari Om. Bhagavan Vatsalam. Put on the ground. Yeah. Wipe your hands, Nana. When I say Swaha, I go for this one. Om Purnamada Purnamidam Purnata Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadai Purnameva Vasishtate Swaha. Water. Sarvapa Parang Dibyam Gangyang Nirbalang Jalang Achmanyam Pratigrihitam Achmanyam. प्रेम से अग्नि देवता की जय. You doing arti, right? Try to see how fast you can make the wrong one. Come back. Om yani kani chapapani janamantar gretani ta tani tani vinashanti pradakshina parhe parhe. Hari bhakti kevalam. हे सत्यनारायण स्वामी हमरे दुख करो, बेड़ा पार करो प्रभु जी, बेड़ा पार करो. तुमको देव दया के सागर अब उद्धार करो, बेड़ा पार करो प्रभु जी, बेड़ा पार करो. ये सत्यनारायण स्वामी हमरे दुख करो, बेड़ा पार करो प्रभु जी, बेड़ा पार करो. अजर अमर अभिचर अविनाशी घट घट के बासी प्रभु जी, घट घट के बासी. जन्म जन्म से तुम्हारे दर्श की अखियाँ है प्यासी प्रभु जी, अखियाँ है प्यासी. ओ सत्य सनातन परम ब्रह्म पर हम पर कृपा करो, बेड़ा पार करो प्रभु जी, बेड़ा पार करो. ये सत्यनारायण स्वामी हमरे दुख करो, बेड़ा पार करो प्रभु जी, बेड़ा पार करो. सतानंद के दे तुमने कष्ट करे प्रभु जी, तुमने कष्ट करे. लकड़ी हारा भिल के तुमने कारज सिद्ध करे प्रभु जी, कारज सिद्ध करे. आई तूफान में जीवन नैया तरफत ध्यान धरो, बीरा पार करो प्रभु जी, बीरा पार करो। हे सत्य नारायण स्वामी हमरे दुख हरो, बीरा पार करो प्रभु जी, बीरा पार करो। साधु वैश्य के बंधन काटे, सुख संपत्ति दीर्घे प्रभु जी, सुख संपत्ति दीर्घे। उल्का मुख राजा पर तुम्हारे कारज सिद्ध करे, प्रभु जी कारज सिद्ध करे। बुरे भले हम तुम्हारे स्वामी, बिना अति ध्यान धरो, बीरा पार करो प्रभु जी, बीरा पार करो। हे सत्य नारायण स्वामी हमरे दुख हरो, बीरा पार करो प्रभु जी, बीरा पार करो प्रभु जी, बीरा पार करो। बोलो श्री सत्यनारायण भगवान की जय। We join in our universal prayer. त्वमेव माता च पिता त्वमेव, त्वमेव बन्धु च सखा त्वमेव, त्वमेव विद्या द्रविणं त्वमेव, त्वमेव सर्वं मम देव देव। ओम शांति 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 हरि ओम। प्रेम से बोलिए श्री सत्यनारायण भगवान की जय, उमापति महादेव की जय, पवन पुत्र हनुमान की जय, गुरु रामानंद स्वामी की जय, आदि शक्ति जगदम्बे माता की जय, सत्य सनातन धर्म की जय, वृंदावन बिहारी लाल की जय, सर्वदेवी सर्वदेवता की जय, साधु गुरु के दंडवत जय 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 सीताराम। आपके आसन लीजिए, टेक योर सीट्स, टेक आउट योर रिंग, टेक फ्लावर्स। We join in Chama Pratna that Lord, today by your grace we have had this blessed privilege to offer puja, this Purnima Brat, but being again humans, we are not 100% perfect. If during the course of worship that anything could have been on the negative side, we seek forgiveness. Hari Om. Take flowers. Mantrahinam kriyahinam bhaktahinam janardhanam yar pujitam maya devo paripurana tatastame. Katsarang, Papoham papa karmaham papatma papsham putra himam pundrikaksham sarva paparo hari yantu devagana sarve puja madaye mamakim ishtakam prasiddhyartha punaragamanaya cha आवहयामि न जानामि विसर्जनम पूजा विधि न जानामि क्षमस्व त्वं परमेश्वरम गणपति गिरिजावृषभध्वजं क्षणमुखो नन्दिमुख धीम धीमा मनुजमाल त्रिशूलमृगस्त्वचं प्रतिदिनं कुशलं जय मङ्गलं प्रतिदिनं कुशलं जय मङ्गलं ऋग्वेद यजुर्वेद सामवेद अथर्वण चारुवेद कल्याण आशीर्वाद मंगलम भगवान विष्णु मंगलम गरुड़ध्वजं मंगलम पुंडरीकाक्षं मंगलाय तनोहरि सर्वदेवी शांति सर्वदेवता शांति प्रधान देव कलश देव अग्निदेव हरि ओम शांति हरि ओम शांति हरि ओम शांति। श्री ब्रह्मण अर्पण मस्तु श्री विष्णुवे नमः श्री विष्णुवे नमः श्री विष्णुवे नमः। Offer your flowers and bow. We offer special prayer for Pandit Vishnudat and also the President Inder. Anadhi Nidhano Deva Sanka Chakra Gadadhara Akshay Pundarik Akshay Preta Moksha Pradobhava Krishna Bhagwan Vishnu Bhagwan Daya Raksha Chama Karo. बोलो विष्णु भगवान की जय, वृंदावन बिहारी लाल की जय।